Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. So, topic that we will discuss it is the first topic, which is the introduction of the chemical industries. Basically, there are the chemical industries that produce the things at large scale. Now, why there is a need for the chemical industries? Basically, the rapidly growing population that is around us, it is increasing day by day, along with the desire is also increasing day by day to increase the standard of the living. And it also forces us to use the different types of methods, and these methods must be cheaper that may substitute the different substances as they obtained from different natural sources. It's mean basically the work of the chemical industries is to produce the artificial products rather than the natural products. Basically, here we produce the different types of the artificial substances to meet up the needs and the requirements of the living organisms. On the other hand, it may also helps us to improve the quality of the things. So that's why there is the need to establish different types of industries around us to meet up all the needs of the modern society. So, we have a thousand of products around us that are produced large scale, and these products may be the fertilizers. Fertilizers are the substances that are used to increase the fertility of the soil, along with the production of the detergents that are used for washing purposes. There is a production of the many plastic substances. There is a production of the many synthetic fibers. There is a production of the glass. There is the production of the many food chemicals and etc. All these are the basically applications that have increased the standard of the living organisms or the living people. It is just because of the just few last centuries. Now, along with all this, there are many chemical industries that produce the different things, and these things are economical and also helps in the development of the living organisms and the countries. So, whenever we thought that how do we control all these productions on the industrial scale, or how we just gain all that, and how do these industries are running, and how these industries are working, that how the different metals are extracted, how the petrol is produced, that how we are making the different washing products, how the urea is being produced. So all that is the work of the chemical industries. So here we have the branch of the chemistry which is known as the industrial chemistry. This branch of chemistry which applies the physical and the chemical procedures or the methods that are used towards the transformation of the natural raw material, means the natural material that is having some type of impurity in it, and its derivatives are used for the production of different products, and these products are then benefits for the humanity. So the things when they are produced on the large scale, that how they are produced, what method is used for its production, all that will be studied under industrial chemistry, which is the branch of chemistry. And here in the industrial chemistry, the papers are produced, different paints are produced, the soaps, the different food items, the different chemicals, production of the petrol, along with the different production of the glass, plastics, and detergents, all just happened in the industries. Now, by which method, which type of material is being used for their production, what type of method is being used, and what are the products and the side products are being produced, all that studied under industrial chemistry, and all that happen at large scale production. Basically, there are main role of the industrial chemistry is that to provide the different types of things to improve the quality of life on the earth crust, and it also makes the life easier from the previous one. Then we have the role of the chemical industries. Basically, what is the role of the chemical industries? The first thing, it is the specialty of the chemicals. It produces the many chemicals at large scale, and these methods are more cheaper and good and safe. The production of the pharmaceuticals, the production of different drugs and different medicines that are for the well-beings of the living organisms, and in turn the consumers products that are used at domestic level and as well as at industrial level. It produces basic chemicals. What are these chemicals? Production of sodium chloride, the production of the different metals, and along with production of the different chemicals like the acids and the bases that are used at domestic level. Along with it produces many agriculture chemicals like produces urea, which is important fertilizers. It produces the washing sodas, and it also produces the baking sodas, all that just help the human beings in one way or another way. So this was the simple role of the chemical industries, or the impact of chemical industries on the living organisms. I hope you guys understand, and if you have any queries, you may ask me about that in the comment section, and I will get back to you guys soon. The next topic that we will discuss, it is the metallurgy, which is basically known as the extraction of metals, that how do metals are extracted. It is known as the metallurgy. For that time, you guys keep learning and have a good day.